Archie. Start with this one, and this one, and this one, and this one, and this one. Lard, flour, barley, and these are oats. This is fun, and it's very, very sticky. Oh, it's squidging. There, another bit of Kissy hearts. Squid it down,
Great
and we're
job.
done. Pine cone, coconut shell, pot, and a Kissy heart. Yay! Where's your hand? Oh, might get messy.